What's up mga Padres? Welcome back to our channel. Again, I'm Mike of Padres, and today we are back with another sneaker unboxing video. By the way, this video is brought to you by Contrive Design. Anything that has to do with construction, they got your back. Leave a link in the description box down below of their Facebook page kung paano nyo sila mga contact. If you're interested, feel free to hit them up, message them. So, some of you guys may be wondering why we're doing a detailed review. Not a performance review, but at least a detailed review on this previous model of a shoe, which is the Greek Freak 2, which was released, I think, last year. Ngayon, meron ng may Freak 3 na eh. So, this is the Freak 2. If you're wondering why we purchased this and why we're doing a review on it, it's because of the price point, which we will get into a bit. So first off, this is a gift for Adam and Adam Bam, who does our B-rolls. Ito yung sukli namin sa kanya. Siya rin ang gagawa ng on-fit nito early pamasko. So we were able to purchase this at Park Outlet, and wait for it, drum roll please. Yun. For only 1,933.50. Yes. That's less than 2,000. Tapos meron kaming nakasabay na si Philotalk na currently andito na sa Pilipinas. So, abangan yan guys. Soon magkakaroon kami ng collab videos na physically magkasama kami. So, yung pinabiling item ni Philotalk, makikita din natin in a bit. Tapos 200 pesos yung shipping. Naghati kami, tig 100. So, all in all, ang nagastos lang dito sa Freak 2 is 2,000 2,033.50. So, super steal. Which, ano bang SRP nun? Check natin. Yun, nahanap na natin yung SRP, which is 6,445 pesos. So, that's really a huge price drop. That's parang less siya ng almost 4,500. You do the math guys kung ilang percentage na. Basta, ang alam lang natin, sobrang laki ng discount. So, as we always say, hashtag patience saves pockets. So, let's open the box na. You can see that it says Park Access, but it's actually from Park Outlet na website. Pero isa lang naman yan eh, GTI pa rin yan. Isang kumpanya lang nag-handle dyan, kumbaga different location ng pinag-handle and different ang nag-handle ng purchases mismo. So for the box, ito on the side it says Antetokounmpo, which of course is his last name nilang tatlong magkakapatid. Sila sobrang hirap bigkasin ng pangalan, hindi ko rin alam eh, basta si Costas yung isa, si Giannis, tapos may other brother pa. So, the top box. Ayun. Actually, ang ganda ng box niya. Ayun o. Ito yung logo niya, parang letter G. Tapos ito, ganun din, gold din. On the side, gold swoosh. And dito, I think this is his signature. And at the bottom, usual stuff. We need to check that, and let's open it. Receipt, tabi na natin yan. And yun, as I mentioned, meron tayong hook up ulit kay Philotalk na t-shirt. I think this is 697 lang. So all in all, ang binayaran niya lang dito sa akin para sa hook up. Of course, wala naman tayong patong, but yung binayad niya mismo is yung presyo lang ng shirt, which is of course sobrang sale rin, 697, naka Nike shirt ka na, plus yung kalahati ng shipping fee, which is 100. So syempre ako nag-alok yan, Jordan Manila, hashtag tanggal kati. So may logo pa palang isa dun sa loob. Ano ba yung logo? Hindi ko alam kung ano exact ibig sabihin yan. Basta yun. So paper, usual paper lang, wala namang kakaiba. Tignan natin yung box. And tignan natin yung sneakers. By the way, this is a size 7.5 men's. So, medyo malaki na ang paa. Hindi na GS size. So, yun. This is actually really nice. Nasyaka ako na ganito pala siya kaganda. Nakita ko na siya sa mall, nawa ako na sa mall. Pero now that I have it in hand at home, mas na-appreciate ko siya. I think aesthetically, this looks better than the Freak 2. But pagdating sa tech specs, out of all three na Freak models, I think the best talaga yung Freak 3. Kasi iba na yung zoom units nun sa 4-foot eh. So pag nagkaroon tayo ng chance na bumili nun, may pa-hook up o bigay, ayun, we'll do a detailed review and possibly, since open na yung courts, nakapag-basketball na kami ni Kapadring Bon sa kanya-kanyang lugar, hopefully, makagawa tayo ng detailed performance reviews. So, stay tuned. So, for the details of this shoe, and let's just look at the traction pattern. For the 4-foot, since it comes in 2 segments, may biyak dito. So, for the 4-foot area, the whole thing is encompassed in radial traction pattern, which is kind of grayish na kind of translucent because ayun, kita yung you can see the zoom unit and how big it is. This white spot, ito, yung parang it's just an oval. O kung triangle basta ito, itong part na to. That's the zoom unit in the 4-foot. So, yun. So, as for the tech specs na rin, it has a zoom unit in the 4-foot and nothing in the heel. So, going back to the details in the traction pattern, I'm not really sure what this is, kung ano siya specifically, but from what I've heard, related to sa family niya and sa kanyang heritage. I think there are names on it. Names to ng family members niya. Okay, ayan, Ayan, so you can pause that there if you want. Ayan, Alex. Hindi masyado mabasa to eh. Basta yan, ito. O, diba? May Costas, tama ako. But for the part na sobrang readable and I think it's the part na pinaka-importante kay Giannis is Charles and Veronica. So, if you watched our previous video that we did a double unboxing of the Freak 1 and the McFarlane Batman Dawnbreaker. I think I mentioned na meron din ganito yung Freak 1. And then, so going up to the midsole. So sa midsole niya, so I'm actually surprised na ang lambot pala ng midsole niya ito. So even if there's nothing in the heel, pag nagba-basketball ka naman, talagang mas importante yung cushion sa 4-foot. Kasi you're always almost all of the time nakatingkayad ka when it comes to basketball. So that's okay. So ang kapal naman nung foam dito sa heel. Ayan. So sabi ng iba this is cushion pero sabi naman ng iba it's parang super soft phylon lang daw. So either or, it's a foam and it's really thick and soft. So going up to the upper, I think this is some kind of mesh, which actually really nice. Oh, I forgot pala one thing. To check the size tag of the box. Let's check pala the official colorway. Ayan. Zoom Freak 2, Sapphire Light, Thistle Black. So sapphire siya, hindi siya blue mismo. Akala ko parang something blue eh. So for the upper yan, halos lahat. Yung foam, yung upper, puro blue siya. It's covered in blue. And then a really nice big swoosh na parang speckled. Tapos ito, I think these pieces are meant for containment, lateral stability, so that your foot doesn't shift out of the footbed. For the laces, yan, multicolored laces din, suabe. And one of the nicest details of this shoe is the tongue, or the piece on the tongue. Well, on this colorway pala medyo na iba, hindi masyadong kita. Pero yung sa green colorway, yung first colorway niya na lumabas dati, that had a different price point. That one was higher. Ayun, okay yung dila nun. Ito, okay rin naman, but hindi ganun pa. So, for the medial side, this part is in, yun nga, parang siyang something green. Parang neon green, to be exact. And then, smaller swoosh. Merong pull tab na alanganin. I think this is my only gripe for this shoe. It's kind of a pull tab, but your fingers doesn't fit. Ayan, hindi naman ganun, hindi naman ako Kawhi Leonard na kamay. And siguro baka this is just a smaller size kaya ganun. But still, this is a men's size, which is size 7.5. I think a finger should have no problem fitting here kung this is exactly designed to be a pull tab. Or a spoiler maybe. Either way, dapat hawakan mo siya dyan. Pero hirap, diba? So, sa insole niya, here's a close-up look on the insole. Nothing special. Just an ortholite-like insole with same color, sapphire blue with the Greek Freak logo on the inside. And another logo here. I'm not sure what this part means. If you guys know, malamang si Philotok may alam nito. Feel free to comment down below. And ano ba, last detail. I think this is the year that started na they changed their branding from Zoom Air to Air Zoom. Sabi nga ni Idol Chris, aka Nightwing from Wear Testers, it kind of sounds silly. Medyo nonsensical in a way because it's been Zoom Air for the past decades. All of a sudden, they decided to label the stuff Air Zoom. They didn't change anything in the tech. Siguro may upgrades with the application, Zoom Strobel, but still the same. It's just Zoom. So, Zoom Air talaga yun eh. But now, they've changed it to Air Zoom. So, yan. Air Zoom dito. Another Air Zoom dito. And napansin ko lang, usually with the Nike and Jordan brand, if there's Air Zoom label sa harap or Zoom Air, that means merong zoom sa forefoot. So for this one, may Air Zoom dito, but there's actually no Air Zoom or Zoom Air in the heel. So, that's it. If you made it to this part of the video, super thank you. If you're a first time viewer of this channel and this video, please consider subscribing, smashing the like button, leaving down a comment, and sharing this video. Also, hit the notification bell. Again, I'm Mike of Padres. In behalf of Kapadring Von, thank you so much and peace out.